Round 2.
That was pretty good.
Alright guys, welcome to a new video. Today starts the disassembly of this truck. I'm actually selling the box, taillights, and rear bumper. So Kate and I are getting this thing torn apart. And then we're going to see if we can flip it. Literally. And then I'm probably just going to list whatever else on here is salvageable. I mean, obviously, pretty much anything from here forward is not. Hoping like the trans might be okay. And then obviously rear diff and drive axles, fuel tank. But yeah, we're gonna take this thing apart and then we have to go actually deliver it and then we'll get paid. So should be a fun day. Hopefully end up flipping it today. Jebby is moved. We're gonna see if we can flip this thing. I have very, very low confidence in us, but we'll see. Not my cellular. I always put my phone in just the absolute worst places. All right, so we're gonna pull it back from the garage a little bit so that when we try to flip it, it doesn't go into the garage. We almost did that last time we tried this. So we're gonna hook up Caden's Ranger, try to pull it backwards, which is gonna be very interesting. Should work, hopefully. Yep. Oh, I didn't video it, but you guys will see this in a new video here soon. We've got pretty much matching CRFs, 2022, 2020 and a 2020. These are both mine. If you want a YZ, I want to get rid of that thing. But yeah, 2009 YZ, it's freaking fast. It's crazy. Back to what we were doing. Oh my gosh. Can we use just the jack to get it over? It's one of the wonders of the world right there. I'm a scat man. I'm a scat man. Well, we don't know what to do at this point. We don't have anything to get the cats off, so we might do it again another time. Get them suckers off. It's leaking a lot of stuff. I don't like that. It's like hissing up here.
Yeah, maybe we should just flip it back.
Well, if you want to start unhooking your Ranger and maneuvering it, I'll move this stuff. All right. Should be good. Mission Ranger on 4 wheels and in full go. You tight? Oh yeah. There it comes. Perfect. We're doing pit bike things real quick. We're at the pit bike track and they just have this perfectly great ramp off to the side. He's got the helmet on, so he's gonna go rip it first real quick. Almost over jumped it. That's a perfect one. Oh, that was sick. Dude, it's such a good track. Oh! Butter! Butter! Oh! Greased all of them! Let's go! I just have to do this every once in a while with Caden so that he gets the urge to buy a pit bike still. I don't know why he's not pulling the trigger. This is the best stuff to do. Nice.
Miles is gonna go try not to wad it up now. There he goes. Yeah. It's all right. It's kind of a booter. Hit it, go right in my rut right here.
That's kind of what I was thinking too.
Yeah. Just like mid-range, 4th gear. There you go. You already cased it about as bad as you can. Yeah, you're not gonna do anything worse than that.
Yeah.
Just keep it in 4th, just coming around the corner.
4th?
Or third, yeah. I just kept it in 3rd through all this. There you go. Nice. A little bit faster. Just stay on the gas. Don't blip it coming up to it. Just stay on it. You'll fly a lot smoother through the air. This is where you landed. This is where your back tire landed.
That was last time.
So yeah, you got to go a little faster. Or seat bounce it a little more.
I like hitting that last one for some reason, or that second to last one. This one still terrifies me for some reason. I don't get it.
It's kind of big.
But I feel like that back one is bigger. At least I think it's longer.
Maybe, I don't know.
At least I feel like I'm going high.
Yeah, that one's, it kicks you up a little bit more.
I should film on that one. I'll try to hit
All
it.
right. Oh, oh, oh no! Run her down! Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh no! You cased her.
I saw that coming.
You cased her a little
The
bit.
second one I hit hard.
Oh.
I hit that second one really hard. I couldn't have gone over at a worse spot either.
Cased her a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
It's on video.
I couldn't have gone down at a worse spot.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, you hit it. And then just went, yeah.
I overjumped the first one.
You overjumped both of them. I'm gonna look at that on video.
Alright, after my burning crash, Ken's out here. He wants to hit this one. Oh! Not quite! Oh, there it is. Cleared it.
Buttered.
Great. Did you get like what, probably a foot of air?
Yeah, something like that.
That's sick.
Load up?
I'm probably good, yeah.
Alright, let's load up.
Get out of here before